Hi, my name is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost. I'm the founder and owner. Have you found that you are struggling when it comes to things you're working on? Maybe you're unmotivated or unsure, you have so much doubt. Well, do you know that that is just your brain? That is a mental software program that you more than likely have unknowingly allowed to be developed. And did you know that you can actually enhance that program? And it is not difficult. I used to be able to get things done, but I had to work very hard. Now I get things done and I do them effortlessly. And that is because I took the time to start to see how I was feeding and cultivating my brain. From the time I was born, I was taking in information from my peers, environment, friends, and family, media, TV, and I was assigning emotions to those situations, those information, and then storing it in my subconscious, which was then creating lovely feelings that went with them. Now, if I stored it with high vibe emotions, I got good vibes. If I stored it with low vibe emotions, I didn't get the same good vibe feelings. So once I learned what I was doing, that was making things that I had to work hard at, and I changed that, everything became effortless. So if you're interested in finding out how you can effortlessly help your brain to then be able to automatically keep you motivated 24/7, you'll want to start this program. Think about it. 24/7, how would you be? What would be going on in your life? What would you be doing if 24/7 the messages in your brain were motivating? We have 70,000 thoughts a day. How many of them are motivating? My name is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and I am here to help you be able to do that. I created mind cardio videos, and with those videos, they are a proven three-step thought process used in those videos that all you do is watch. You watch them and do what the video says. Each time you watch a video, you are going to notice how you are able to enhance your brain. How will you notice? By the messages that it is telling you. And soon, by consistently practicing, you will notice how when you look at your everyday outlook about yourself, your brain will only send you motivating messages. Now, does that not sound interesting? If so, please join me for my monthly subscription. It is $12.99. That is it. There will be no discount after this message because the price is so ridiculously low in the first place. But the $12.99 allows for the making of these videos. It also allows for the monthly live group sessions that I do. So if you have questions and answers, you can join so you can make sure that you are making good progress on your own self-help journey. My name, Renee Thomas, my company, DIY Mental Boost, and we hope that you join us. It'll be me, you, and Mind Cardio.